Good evening, everyone. As we take the name of Ravana, his all bad qualities and his works come in our mind. But we don't think about the real Ravana in our society. Today, according to my research and what I personally think, who is the real Ravana in society are who do not respect the women or who have much attitude of their money, of their health, of their intelligence. So, one of the most troubling behavior in our society is lack of respect for women. There are so many girls or women who has raped by men. There are so many small girls who has kidnapped for money. There are so many women are not treated equally or the dignity they deserve. In the Ravana story, his big mistake was abducting Sita, but he was a great devotee of Shiva. But his bad activity made him bad. The true progress will only happen when the voice of women will heard, the safety of women will prioritize, and my second one point is attitude. Attitude is the only one which is enough to destroy a person's life or his relative, family member, everything. It can be of everything like wealth, health, money, or intelligence. There are so many people who have lots of money, but they have attitude of their money. They don't want to give to needy one. They just want to get that money and save in locker. They don't know that money will not go with them when they die. They don't know this money is nothing for them. When they die, their karma will go. As you all know, today Ratan Tata is not with us. But when he was alive, he has donated lots of money. And now his karma is with him. He has taken his karma when he died. Because you can see now everyone is having his posts and stories that we have lost our Ratan from our country. We have lost our Ratan from our world because he has done so many karma. So make karma, not attitude. Your money will make you powerful. Thank you.